Everybody talks about leaving their jobs, but almost nobody ever does it. And the reason has nothing to do with money. It is something much deeper. Most people stay stuck in their jobs because the job itself doesn't teach you the special skills that requires you in order to experience freedom. Instead, what they do is that they teach fear of freedom. Think about this. I mean, from at least here in America, from the time that you're 5 up until the point that you're 18, going through high school, you're sitting in columns in rows, you're spitting spitballs or something through a straw, getting on folks' nerves in the classroom, you're sitting down listening to the teacher, blah, 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 blah. And the only time that you get up is to either go on a lunch break or go to the bathroom. Then you go to college, and guess what? There is more rows and columns in a class, unless you're lucky to sit in an auditorium, but at that point, you're just simply a number. You pay to go watch the professor talk, who probably 9 times out of 10 has not done what they're teaching about. And then you get the job. The pinnacle of this whole rat race from the time that you're a little kid up to the point that you're 23, 24, 25. And guess what? More cubicles, more rows, more columns. The entire system is designed for people to be rewarded in order to follow instructions. Raise your hand if you agree. Smash that thumbs up button if you know what I'm talking about. The system is designed in order to keep us in a rat race, not in order to create people who create wealth. So I'm going to give you something in order to release the pressure here. Most people who do not experience freedom are not lazy. You didn't break free because you've never been shown the blueprint in order to break free in the first place. But here's the twist, because there's always a twist. It only takes one skill in order to break the cycle. Not 5, not 10, not 15, 1. And for me, that one skill, you're watching me here on YouTube, is selling online, creating content, affiliate marketing, which is free and organic. And then there's native ads, paid advertising. I do it all, and I show you how to do this on every single one of my videos. There is no reason with you watching my video that you shouldn't be making at least $1,000 per month minimum. I record simple content in my cars and I get paid for it. This was the beginning of me creating some financial stability for myself and some financial freedoms. But I'm here to tell you, what you actually need is a plan, not motivation. Not a shiny object, which is what we always get caught up in, but a roadmap. I'm going to be talking about some of these roadmaps here in the next 3 points that I'm about to give you. Because in today's video, I'm going to break down the 3 paths to escaping your 9-to-5 job realistically over the next 12 to 18 months, using nothing but your phone and the internet. Pathway number 1, which is probably the fastest path, begin selling other people's products. This is one of my favorite, if not the favorites, because I don't have to create any products. I don't have to do any follow-up. My follow-up game is crazy. Sorry, it's horrific, but I love to produce the content and lead generation. I can do that all day. This is also known as affiliate products. You don't need a degree. You don't need inventory. All you need is somebody else's product and a way to drive traffic. Again, all you need is a phone. You need an audience to sell to. And you also need a system, a very simple system / blueprint. But what if I told you that you're already doing this every single day in your life, but you're not getting paid for it? I plan on buying some Jordans here in the next few days, and you can't get them from every single store. And so when I put the shoes on my feet, people are going to say, Antonio, where'd you get them shoes? How did you get them? And I'm going to say, I got them from whatever store I got them from. Go ahead and put your name on the list so that whenever they come out with the shoe again, you can get them. And they're going to wait for that shoe to drop next year, and they're going to make the purchase, except I don't get paid for it. Well, my friends, what if get paid $25, $50 in order to tell all of your friends and family about that shoe that you just purchased, that they're going to ask you about anyway, that they're going to wait a whole year in order to purchase a shoe that's $200, $300, and you get a nice little kickback from that. This is what's called affiliate marketing. You didn't supply the product. You didn't have the inventory. You just simply told people about it and you got paid for what you're already doing, buying the shoes. This is the training wheels of digital freedom. This is the beginning. We're not building a massive brand. We're just learning to make some money online. This one skill alone can replace your job in the next 12 to 18 months once you master it, but you have to be consistent. Number 2, the most scalable path on the planet. This is going from content to funnel to automation/freedom. This is where things become very predictable. We're talking creating simple videos, we're talking lead magnets, we're talking email lists, we're talking ads if you have the money to do it. Listen, affiliate marketing, like I just went over in point 1, is great in order to put some money in your pocket in order to get you on the path of freedom. But once you have some money in your pocket, some consistent cha-ching, now I want you to begin to invest in yourself because you'll have the money to do so. I want you to jump into ads. Why? Because now everything is about data. You've done the free stuff, you have the videos, you can see what people are watching or clicking, you can look inside the lead magnet, right? You can see that your email list is actually growing. Again, I'm not going inside of this stuff, but what I am talking about in this path is what has allowed one of the people that I've been working with to make $17,000 in 5 days, to make $9,000 in 72 hours. This is where the business works for you. You don't work for the business. Your content isn't even content anymore. It's literally working for you while you sleep. Your business doesn't get tired. It doesn't request PTO or anything like that. It is simply helping you grow. And this is where normal people like you and I at this stage begin to see 5K, 10K, 20K months. And all this can be done without quitting your 9 to 5 in the beginning. Imagine that. So now we jump over to number 3, the true path. And this is high ticket plus mentorship. This is really the phase that gets you out of the 9 to 5. It's one thing to make the money and replace your 9 to 5 or supplement your 9 to 5, but to get you removed out of the 9 to 5, I really want you to take hold of this. This is where I specialize in what's called high ticket affiliate marketing or high ticket courses. I do both. At this point, you've made your first dollars. You've learned about funnels. You've mastered some type of skill being online. You know what you like and don't like. You can predict your success literally. This is where we really begin to kick it up a notch. At this stage, I got to let you in on a little bit of truth here. The fact is that you don't escape the 9 to 5 by working harder. If that's what you want me to do, if that's the next step, then I'm not for it. I'm not going to tell you to work harder. You learned a skill that your employer does not want you to know. Now you're at the point of creating income when you're ready and not waiting for a paycheck and waiting for it. You're literally creating your own destiny. You're making $1,000, $2,500, $5,000 sales by the snap of a finger. You're able to scale your products, your sales. You know where people are purchasing. There's $10,000 products out there for commission. Everything, money really is not a big thing, guys. It's working smarter and not working harder. But if you want speed, you're going to also take mentorship. It's not cheap, but it is well worth it. Mentorship is the shortcut. I've wasted years, money, energy, and relationships trying to attain something when somebody else already had the answer that could have answered it a fraction of a few minutes. Once I invested in guidance, my results have multiplied. And so products like Freedom Accelerator is one of those things. I'm able to teach you and tell you about all of this stuff because I learned these digital skills through this product. It takes you by the hand to help you make your first $0 to $10,000 in a month. Then it takes you to the next step, saying, hey, if you want to automate your business, this is how you do it. And then, of course, after that, making your first $100,000 and beyond is the next goal. Everything step by step. I highly recommend it. I have a link for you down below. I created a small little video explaining how it works and how I integrated in my business and how I got started with it. Plus, I throw in some mentorship as well for free if you're interested in it. Highly recommend it. The link for that's down below. If you haven't already, subscribe to this video if you like what I am dropping. I'm telling you from experience, this is not something that I've made up or that I researched and just created a video. I'm not one of those professionals I was talking about who's just standing up talking to you. I've done it all. I've done real estate. I've been inside of the internet marketing game when it was called internet marketing. It's not called that anymore. It's called digital freelancing and digital freedom, right? I've been in this for a very long time. So take my wisdom as I'm giving it out to you and you will be successful. I created my first affiliate marketing course for you. It's $297, but I have severely discounted it because I need 10 purchasers to be my beta testers so I can get down and dirty and help drive results, and it's a win-win for me and also for you. You'll be my founding purchasers, and I would love to have you check out my product. The link for that is also down below. If you like this video, you're going to need this next. Everything is in step form. Go ahead, let's take your online business to the next level. We'll see you in the next video.